Hi, this is Jason. Welcome back. Today I'm working on 2008 GMC Sierra. Customer came in with the P154A code, which is air intake or intake air heater performance code. So this is going to be that fix for that. I'm going to show you how to get it out. Please boot that like button, subscribe down below. Let's get into the video. Alright, here's my truck right here. And what we're going to be changing is this bad boy right here, this air intake heater. So what we're going to need to do first is get this air duct off, get this air filter housing box off, and then we'll be on to the next steps. Okay, what we're going to need to do next is down here there's a plug. I'm going to need to unplug this. Then you need to unplug your EGR motor right here. Your map sensor right there. Plug the air intake heater right there, and under this cover is a screw. Unscrew this. To be safe, just disconnect your batteries. If not, you could electrical tape this up. Just don't let it hit any part of the motor, it will spark. So let's get that nut off, tape it up, and we'll be on to the next step. Alright, now that I got that off, we got it all taped up. What we're going to need to do is get this clamp out right here, and then get your little pick in there, take this off, don't lose it, and then we're going to twist and kind of rotate this air duct, this oil cooler air duct out of the way. And then up here there's a couple bolts on the wiring harness up here that we're going to need to take off so we can move this harness out of the way. You could also take the power cable off to your alternator too, tape it up, or if you have the batteries disconnected, just take it off and you'll be okay. Okay, next right here, get your cutters in here. There's a clamp, pull it up. So what we're going to need to do is get this cable loose right here, which it is, and we need to get this cable loose because there's one bolt here, Allen bolt, and there's another one right back here on that side, and then there's a nut down here and a nut on the other side. So we're gonna, next step, we're gonna need to get this EGR motor out. There's 4 Phillips bolts holding them in, so I can't get down there to see them. Actually, there they are right there. Get those out, all 4 of those, and then we'll be on to the next step. Alright, secret tip here, this top bolt, this top Phillips head bolt that was on top right here, what I did, since I couldn't reach it with my fingers, is as I took it out, I pulled the EGR motor back at the same time until I could grab this little bolt right here, and bam, there's your EGR motor. Came out right there. The reason we had to do this is so, yeah, there's 2 nuts down here we got to access, and they will not come off without taking that EGR motor out. So we'll be on the next step right now. Okay, as you can see here, I got my oil cooler pipe out of the way for the turbo. Next, we're gonna need to access these Allen bolts. Get this one out. Get your tool underneath this wire. You get the other side out. Then you get your 2 nuts out down there, and then this should all separate right here. So get those 4 out, and we'll be on to the next step. Alright, as I'm pulling this back inner bolt, I had to hold and unscrew as I pulled this back. But now that we got all these bolts out, usually right down there, you see those 2 holes, usually there's a bracket right there. There'll be 2 bolts right in there, and then there'll be 1 bolt into here. Usually you have to take that bracket off, but this one didn't have it for some reason, so I'm gonna have to find that and some bolts to put it back in. But after that, you just pull it off, and there is your culprit. There's your air intake heater right there. So we're going to change it, put the new one in, Put all our nuts back in, put the EGR valve back in, and that's about it. So that is how you change your air intake heater on a 2008 GMC Sierra or Chevy Silverado. Hope you liked this video. Hopefully I help you. Until next time, you have a great day.